For problem number 15, we're given y equals sine of negative 5x minus cosine. Now remember, that's what we're really saying is sine of x raised to the negative 5 minus cosine of x raised to the third power. So y prime would be the negative 5, leave the stuff alone, sine of x raised to the negative 6. But we have to tack on the derivative of the inside.
Okay.
So that would be cosine of x. And then we do the same thing over here. We're going to say negative 3, because the 3 gets tossed to the front. Cosine of x, that's the stuff on the inside, to 2. Then we have to tack on the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. So to clean that up a little bit, we get negative 5 sine of negative 6x dot cosine. And then this one becomes a positive 3. I guess you could put sine of x, cosine 2x somehow. Or you can write it however you want.
Okay, I just didn't know about the parentheses.
Yeah. You got to remember, because when you do it like this, it means it's written like this. So most people look at this and don't think of this as a composite function, but it is. Right?
Why does the squared apply to the 3 sine x of this one?
Well, this is a notational thing. So these two things mean the same thing. This means the same as this. We just write it this way because if I were to write the negative 5 over here like this, we might think that it's sine of x raised to the negative 5. So the convention when you raise a trig function to a power, I don't know why, they've always placed it right in front of the variable. This is how they've always written it. But you have to remember, it really means this. Okay? And so, how would you take the derivative of u to the negative 5? Well, that would be, you toss the negative 5 to the front, and then you would say u, and then you would subtract 1 from the power, which would give you negative 6.
So what I'm saying is like the last part of the last derivative thing where it's like 3 sine of x cosine squared of x. Like why? Like I don't understand.
Okay, so now for this one, when you take the derivative of this, you toss the 3 to the front, right? The stuff on the inside stays alone. Then you subtract 1 from 3, which gives you the 2. Now you have to take the derivative of this and tack it on the end. What's the derivative of cosine of x? Negative sine. And then the negative times the negative becomes a positive. I don't know why. I just wanted to put the sign in the front. Then I rewrote this in the convention that cosine of x squared is usually written this way.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Did that answer your question?